Hey everyone, so I'm at Darley Moor today. So this is for the Institute of Traffic Accident Investigators Crash Test and Research Day. So we're going to have a range of different scenarios today being shown to a really interested audience. The Institute of Traffic Accident Investigators 2024 Crash Test and Research Day was held at Darley Moor in Derbyshire, an old airbase which is now used as a motorcycle racing circuit. Accident investigators and highway engineers were provided with a range of high-speed crash demonstrations, collision reconstructions, lectures, an industry exhibition and technology demonstrations using the track and temporary exhibition space at this large site. This type of event is a fantastic opportunity to experience what really happens when a vehicle incident occurs. And for me, seeing how roadside objects perform obviously relates directly to my work as an ITS consultant and the work I have done alongside Passive Safety UK and the Institute of Highway Engineers to promote safer highway designs.
Remember to hit subscribe for ITS now.
To drive along as though I'm just minding my own business, watching the world go by, not concentrating on front. There's the beep, there's the stop. Well, I don't need to interfere.
Yeah.
It didn't sense any input from you, so
it did.
It interfered.
Yeah. That is really effective, isn't it? Yeah, yeah.
And why wouldn't you want that?
So, will this work with? So we've got an example of a pedestrian here.
Yeah.
But basically, other vehicles. Or,
yes, cars. It started off with car to car first. So there's car to car rear stationary test, which is just a rear end of a back end of a car. And then they moved to having that moving, going slower, and you were coming faster. And then they had them both going on at the same speed, and it braked, and you didn't.
Yeah.
It took over. And then they moved up to pedestrians, so they have the pedestrian actually comes out in front.
Yes.
In most cases, and they have a bicycle. It comes out in front, and there's a child and adults.
Yeah.
They come out from behind a parked car and from the opposite side of the road as well. and then they're moving on to the scooter. So this is quite new, actually. Not a lot of cars do the scooter yet.
Yeah. No, it's really
And
interesting
motorbikes,
to see
they
that.
do motorbikes parallel, so you can't cut over, and it'll correct you if it senses a motorbike beside you. It won't move over.
Yeah.
Oncoming, they're now oncoming, and they'll steer to the left as well.
Right.
This guy does that. If there's a car coming towards us, it senses that, it moves to the left to avoid that car.
That's you know, what we're getting to with all of these sorts of technologies is the precursors for
Autonomous vehicles.
yeah. So I'm currently in the EV autonomous pod. I hope you found that interesting. The whole issue of designing forgiving roadsides, and within the ITS context, using passively safe roadside structures in our designs to make our installations safer in the event of an errant vehicle striking an installation, has been an important aspect of my work for many years. So events like this are particularly important for practitioners to see what really happens. Have a look on the ITS Now website, itsnow.org, for a link to the Passive Safety Electrical Guidance document that I wrote on behalf of the Institute of Highway Engineers. Okay, so we've got some really great programs coming up over the next few months. We will be starting our coverage of the Dubai 2024 ITS World Congress as an official media partner for this huge event with our In Conversation series, where I've been chatting to a range of influential figures from across the globe in the ITS sector. So make sure you don't miss seeing these fantastic videos that we've got lined up for you. And lastly, could I please ask you to subscribe to our channel? It really does help us to bring you further videos about ITS. Thank you again to everyone who has subscribed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.